show you what is needed to make a large photo frame. We are using Bell Ball 12-inch Royal Blue Pastel, which is the standard colors for Bell Ball, and 12-inch Glossy Blue, which is like a chrome or shiny Bell Ball color. So we are going to blow up quads and size them to 9 inches. So we have our little measurer right here, just so that we get every balloon exact. So now that we have blown up all of our 9-inch quads, we are going to start on our smaller quads, which I'm using 5-inch ice blue pastel from Bell Ball, and we are going to size them actually at 4 inches. So I'm going to use my sizer again here. And these small quads are going to go right in between the larger quads. And you're going to just keep making these 4-inch quads. Now I am going to build the sides of the frame with our 9-inch quads and our 4-inch quads. And I want the glossy blue on the outside. So we have a 9-inch quad secured, and now I'm putting on a 4-inch quad. Pushing them way down. You're going to alternate 9-inch and 4-inch. And you are going to go all the way up the pole on each side. So I have 2 poles like this, spread apart. The bottom of the frame. I have my fishing line right here, and I am actually going to build this like I'm building a column using fishing line. So I'm going to start by tying my fishing line into the bottom of the column. And then I am going to start with a 4-inch quad. And I am going to figure 8 it. Like I am building a garland. Pull it tight. All right, now for your 9-inch quads for the top and bottom, you're going to want the glossy color all the way on the outside to continue with what we did with the sides. So I am going to bring in our 9-inch quad, figure 8 it to, and actually I want it to be pretty tight, so I'm going to go all the way to the original base of the column. Pull it tight. going to do this all the way till I reach the other end. Let's do another 9-inch quad. All right, and go all the way till you reach this end. Going to do the top part of the photo frame. So I'm going to tie my fishing line into one side of the column. And then I will start with a 4-inch quad. It back into the original vertical column. And remember, we want all of our glossy balloons on the outside. So I'm going to have the quad looking like this as I build it into. And you want to make it pretty tight, so I'm going to figure 8 it back into the original column for the first few. Be able to pull it tight. So I tied off my fishing line. And so the last thing that we have to do is tie the entire piece together to make the frame. So I'm going to take a 260 and I am going to tie it in. And the balloons might get a little messed up while you are tying it off, but you can always go back in at the end and straighten them out. So now that everything is tied, I'm going to come to the front and look and see what needs to be straightened out or turned a little bit. Looks pretty good. See. All right, looking good. Just a couple of more adjustments and then we should be ready for our photo shoot in our photo frame.
Join the Balloon Guild community for access to a growing library of balloon decor recipes, exclusive templates, webinars, and direct support from experts. Benefit from special discounts, members-only events, skill development opportunities, and a say in future content to elevate your business and expertise in the balloon decor industry. To join, visit theballoonguild.com now.